Guys, great day, welcome back to Pearl TV, and in this video I'm just going to share with you the update in SM Aura. The last time we went there, last Sunday, okay, April 6, 2025. I asked my daughter that we'll be visiting SM Aura because we are going to attend short orientation, and it's long orientation. Okay, so we stayed there for at least 3 hours, I think. Okay, so in this video we're heading to the SMX Convention Center where the event will be held, and this is the first time that I brought my daughter here. Okay, so afterwards, after we attended the orientation, we strolled into the mall. We used to eat the late lunch food, because it's been a long orientation for the upcoming seminar workshop that we are hopefully will be joining. Okay, so ayun guys, nagmamadali na kami dyan guys, kasi namali ako ng estimate ng time. So sabi ko, we're in a hurry, but fortunately I still catch the start, okay, of the orientation. Okay, so please watch the full video guys in order for you to be get updated what's inside the SM Aura, how the SMX of Aura Convention Center look like, and the others. Okay, and also guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay guys, and share this video to all your friends. Bango. Wait na yung SMX Convention. Let's ask. Ayun yes. Ito kasi guys yung we're not sure kung accommodate pa kami. Pasok kami. Yan, this is SMX. Sir, saan po yung sa seminar workshop po? Na sa bata? Oo, sa mga bata. Opo. Adin. Tapos sakay lang kayo ng escalator. Nagulat guys siya dito. Andito na kami guys sa loob ng SMX. Nag-umpisa na siguro. Late na nga tayo. Ba't ang tahimik? Siyempre, convention center dito. Bawal dito maingay. Ano yung center? Meeting room. Ayan o. Ayan o. Alam mo ba yung meeting? Ang iba din, exhibit room. Ayan o. Makatakot. Kaya matakot. Malaki nga pala dito. Saan ba yung meeting room? No. Bakit ganun? Ganun ka? Bakit mo? Hindi dito yun. Tarawan mo. Ma'am, sa Live Smart po. Yes, ay, thank you po.
Last name po.
Heta hobe, ma'am.
Last 4 digit na lang po ng cellphone number na na-register.
1268.
1268.
Late na kami.
Do you know have you all seen your brain?
No.
So how do you know you have a mind? School is so fun. I love learning. I love doing schoolworks. Okay, thank you. How about number 2? You float to school. Every day you go to school, you just go there, you sit down, you listen, but actually, you have this special skill. There's only one thing you're thinking about. Sana suspended. I hope the school goes down.
It's nice that you have your academics, but if you are not embedding them with the right mindset as they grow, it's just really going to go a little bit of it south, and that's what I'm trying to avoid to happen.
Well, I hope that he would enjoy learning. He find a good attitude with regards to his education, and also children.
I want him to be closer to himself, to know himself better, and to open up to the world, to the wonders of the world. 1, 2, 3,
So yun guys, tapos na kami mag-attend ng Live Smart Wisha. And sabi ko nga kay Shasha, pag-iipunan ko, I already deposited an small amount lang just for us to have a slot for the November seminar workshop for kids. So yun. So alam ko na, naka-experience na kasi ako ng ganyan before when I was already working way back way back 2010 I think. November pa eh. Bakit ka lang ni? So ayun, gusto daw ni Shasha. May ito guys oh. So yun guys, SMX convention. Kakalabas lang namin guys. So ayun guys, this time guys, nasa loob na kami ng SM Aura Mall. So ikot-ikot kami ni Shasha and we'll be looking for food chain for us to take our lunch. Actually the time in that video is already 1 o'clock. But still we're not yet hungry, okay? So ayun, thanks God, hindi si Shasha mabilis magutom. Kaya nga ayan guys, ang dami ng mga sale guys oh. So ikot-ikot kami sa mall, ang dami mga naka-sale. Imagine 70% off. 'Di ba? Ang saya, mga swimwear. Kung madami lang tayong pera, ang sarap bili-bili ba. Ayan, ang ganda diyan guys sa SM Aura guys, mamasyal kasi hindi siya masyadong matao eh. Unlike sa SM North EDSA, diyan talaga maganda sa SM Aura. Last 2021 sinama ko din diyan si ate ko. Nag-ikot-ikot lang kami. Dating with my sister. Diyan lang kami, sabi ko, sister ko. Punta tayo sa SM Aura. Sabi ko, time for you to take a break from being a housewife. So ayun, sinama ko siya diyan. Kami from morning to afternoon. Take a lunches na. Chika-chika lang. Band with my sister. Ayan. So that was a very beautiful memory na find time for our family, diba? Pasyal-pasyal. Lalo naman sa mga kapatid natin, nakita natin na sobrang pagod din sa gawaing bahay. So time for her naman to break free from being all around the housewife. Kaya ako din, gusto ko din maglakad-lakad. Chika-chika lang din. So yan guys. So ayan, si Ate Shasha, ikot-ikot kami until we find the restaurant that we're about to eat, okay? May mga kainan na sa baba ako nakikita. Baba na. Bango. Ground floor yun ate na kainan. Ate. Ground floor. Ground floor na. KFC, may Jollibee. May KFC dyan, oh. Diretso daw, anak doon. Diretso daw yung may KFC. Katabi ng Jollibee. Madami naman mesa. Pili ka na, Bi. Hindi ako maging kaibigan sa mga bata doon. Hindi na sila na umiiyak. Hilakan sila. Hindi mo sila umiyak. Ate Shasha. This is, akin natin yung bag ni mama ko. Bandahan.
Ito na kami sa KFC SM Aura. Yan. In-order na. Siya nagpili niya ni 470 kaya pala. Ang dami. 470 yan guys. May Coke float, may mashed potato, may mushroom soup. Ayan.
That's it guys. Ayan. So, yun guys. Yun lamang po ang aming mga vlog sa SM Aura. I hope na-update po kayo at nagustuhan nyo ang aming sharing for today's video. Okay, so please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share guys. At abangan nyo ang aming parating na vlog for edit pa. Yung vlog namin sa market. Kasi after here sa SM Aura, we walk. A short walk lang naman. Sa unahan kasi niya ng Ayala Mall Market. Taguig, okay? So, ayun, nasabi ko kay Shasha na miss ko yun. Dati, lagi kaming tumatambay doon eh. So, ayun nga. So, we used to walk going to market and ayun, we have Shasha got to ride, so take a ride. Okay, kasi nag-insist siya na magsakay daw siya. Ayun, nabangan nyo na lang guys at merong playground doon para makita nyo din. Okay, so bye-bye po. Salamat sa inyong panonood and I hope you guys will all take good care. God bless. Ayan, bye-bye po.